your boy Bitcoin Brand here. Bring you a video at the coin source ATM out here in Texas. So we're gonna go ahead and do a test deposit here. So let's go ahead and get this started. He's gonna enter in his phone number so you can get that confirmation. So I'm not gonna add that on the camera here. All right, so we're about to deposit some cash up in here.
Okay. Oh, so good.
Got that moolah.
Chill out, boy. You got all the money.
Take $30 out of it though.
Yeah, I did.
All right.
Oh, and a lighter. Where's the lighter?
This might take a while.
Yeah, definitely. What about that 10? The other that 10, remember 2010? That's why I put 2010.
Well, now what we can do is once you do the 3,000, just do another one for the rest.
Okay, so just put 10 in there.
Well, now you got the max you can do at a time is 3,000.
Yeah.
So when this is finished at the 3,000, then we finish it and then start over for the rest. You know what I'm saying? Do a whole nother transaction.
So what I put in at 30? Put the 30 in there?
Uh-huh.
So this shit gonna make me rich, kid?
Oh yeah.
For real?
We gonna get it.
Yeah, got you. Tell you, dog, Brand. This shit come through for me, girl. I'm gonna walk and work and piss on the desk. I gotta keep my job though, cause it's that insurance. So you making $1,200 a day, nigga. You can buy your insurance.
Yeah, you really can.
Hey, $1,200.
All right, so there we go. 3,000.
See your wallet.
All right, so
Oh, text message.
okay. We don't want to see the text messages. Ain't no telling what's gonna pop up. All right, so as you can see here, we've got 0.495700062 BTC received into the BitConnect wallet. Go ahead and log in real quick.
Just refresh.
Yeah, do a refresh.
What's it? Print receipt?
Yeah, print that. It's probably gotta go through confirmation.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just waiting on the confirmations right now. So, all right, so that is complete. Waiting on that receipt. Here's the receipt. Cash entered 3,000. So we're just gonna wait a little bit and then we will be back. All right, YouTube, just giving you a quick update here. as you can see, he received his money. That took about, how long it took? About 20 minutes?
Yeah.
It took about 20 minutes from the ATM machine directly to his BitConnect account. So we're gonna go ahead and start a loan here. And that's all I got for this video. So subscribe, like, share, and join the Facebook group. It's Coinbase X BitConnect Insight. All right, Bitcoin brand out. #FireYourBoss. Peace.